Hi guys, today we are going to be treating how to use an invisible thread. So I'm going to be showing you how to use an invisible thread to tack down your embellishments. So this is the invisible thread. This is what it looks like. This one is strong and is stretchy. So this is how it looks. It looks like a very tiny fishing line. The fishing line, the type that is used for making jewelry. So it looks like it, but it's very tiny and it's stretchy. So the first thing I'm going to do is to pass my invisible thread through my needle and prepare it for stitching. I'm going to give it a knot. Then I'll cut off the excess. I'm going to tack it down at the edge all the way around. Then after doing the edge, I'm going to I'm going to tack up the inside part of it. You can tack this the way that you feel is okay by you, but I like to do the edges first. Then when you're cutting your invisible thread, make sure it's not too long. It's not like a normal thread. It tangles very easily. So don't make it too long. As you can see, mine is not so long. So it's easy to work with. I've gone ahead to use glue to hold this down for me. I used UHU gum to tack it down. I don't like to just use glue to tack my embellishments down because I believe after washing it for some time, the glue will start to weaken and then the embellishment can start to come off. So I don't like to do such work for my clients. I like something that will last long. So that is why I always go ahead to tack it down. And the beautiful thing about this invisible thread is that it doesn't really show. If you tack it well, it doesn't really show. At the end of the day, it will even show that you used something to tack it down and it's strong, and that embellishment will last long for you. So it's not only embellishment you can use it for. You can use it to tack down places that you don't want it to be obvious that you have tacked it down. So what I do is when I tack a particular spot, I'll pass the needle into the fabric and move a distance to the next spot so I don't waste time tacking it down for a long time. So I tack the edge down, then I pass my needle into the fabric and move to another area and tack and hold that down. But when you are doing it, make sure that you stay in between the fabric and the lining. If you don't mind the invisible thread showing inside your garment, it's fine. But if you want to hide the invisible thread in between your fabric and your lining, when you're passing the needle through the fabric, make sure you're not picking the lining with it. So at this point, the invisible thread has become short. I just find a way to end the stitching. I'm going to pass invisible thread again into my needle, and I'll make sure it's not too long once again. Make a knot at the end of the invisible thread, and then I'll start sewing again. The same thing I did the first time. I'll continue that way. I'm done with the outer part. Now I'm going to stitch down the inner part of the design of the embellishment. Then I've gone ahead to place my fingers inside the fabric so I can feel the needle and I won't pick the lining with it. Then for the inner part of the design, I'm going to tack down in such a way that nothing will remove after a while. This is the inside of the garment. As you can see, there is no invisible thread showing, but if you don't mind, if you want your own to show, it's fine. You can go ahead and do it in such a way that it will show, just that it won't make your garment neat inside. So this is the final and finished results. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please kindly like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new here, and click the notification bell. Thank you.